Hello, my name is Ammeron Cleary. I'm from RFI, and I'm here today just to run through a bit of an unboxing video of the new Roam Connect pack. We have all of our antenna and R41 solutions provided in this convenient Roam Connect pack. The box is from RFI and Nextivity, and we're distributing this through consumer stores right across the country. So this official box is the one with the gentleman on the front trying to make a phone call, which a lot of us experience in regional areas. So that's the problem. We need a mobile phone repeater. So this box also covers off the installation, so how you should be installing it, as well as some information about the different types of antennas you may want to choose. And yeah, that's the Roam Connect pack. So let's have a look inside it. You can see that I've got some scan for a QR code here for installation guide. So if you do want to have a bit more of a look, you can scan that once you get your box. In here I've got the R41 actual unit. So this is the mobile phone repeater. So there it is there. It's a much smaller unit than the previous version from Nextivity. You can see there it's quite small. Some good heat sink across the top there. Really solid unit, very, very strong. Nice slim line. You put the power in this port here. Got SMA connectors and things, as well as some holes for securing the unit in place. So that's the R41 there. So all of the R41 MK kits from RFI have an RFI internal antenna. That's a T5 antenna. That's our antenna that we put inside all of these solutions. So you need the Roam Connect pack for the RFI antennas. We always say that the Roam Connect pack works better with RFI antennas. We've got the DC lead, so you plug that into your cigarette lighter within your vehicle, and there's some quick start information guides in here as well. So that's the R41 unit itself. And then the rest of the kit is this one here is the CDQ antenna. So that's the base. That is a pre-terminated spring assembly. Comes with 5 meters of cable for running through from the front of your vehicle into where you've installed your R41. And so this is a full black version of the base. And then we have the whip in here as well. So it's a removable whip. This is the CDQ 8195. So you'll actually see this style of antenna on all the New South Wales police cars. It's a patented solution for RFI. And it covers every single mobile band frequency within Australia. So it doesn't matter what band you're using or which provider you're with, this antenna covers every single frequency in Australia for mobile phones. So that's the whip that comes with it as well. So that's the kit, the Roam Connect pack with the RFI antennas. A great little pack to grab and put under the Christmas tree. Comes with everything you need. Apart from the mounting solution, you still will need to talk to your place of purchase, the dealer, and ask them for what sort of mount might suit your vehicle if you're not sure. Or if you already have tabs, then you've got everything that you're ready, you need to do straight away or need to install with straight away. So yeah, that's the whole kit. For some further information, there's a QR code on the screen and you can scan that and go through to our website and actually have a look at a bit more of this kit in detail, or some of the other kits that we've got available as well. So thanks for going through the unboxing video with us today.